I'm about to make a cake. So, I'm about to put some works together, see what I come up with. So, let's drop this flour in here. Cake flour. You see us putting it together. And then, after that, let's say get a cup of water. Got 1 cup, right? And then those is half cups, so I get 2 to make 1 cup. See that? Then a half a cup. Motherfucking oil. And then, as you see, it's coming along. My partner in crime should be here shortly. And we got that. Then we're gonna drop in these 3 eggs. As you see, you gotta have everything prepped, ready to go. There's 1 egg. So I got this cake, just baked it up. About to pull it out the oven. You're about to see the finishing product. So let's get it, LGI. See what we're working with. What you doing with your time? I'll let you do it. So it ain't quite done yet. We're gonna get back to you when it is, alright? So hold tight. And it's looking really good for so far. So you about to see the finishing product. I know you've been waiting. I've been waiting. So let's go and do this. So the cake came out. I'm about to show you the finished product. Stay ready. You ready? Let me bring it out to you. Bingo. So this is the cake. Ooh, it's hot still. So check me out. I'm gonna sit over here and let it cool down. Throw some icing on it. See what it feel like. You feel me? Holla at your boy.